Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2015 Ford Explorer. Customer called and said that they were hearing a strange noise that seemed to get louder as they drove the car faster. They wanted to know if we could take it for a test drive and help them pinpoint what was going on with the vehicle. They came in, we took it for a quick drive, noticed that one of the rear wheel bearings was failing. We advised them that we would need to replace a new one. On these particular vehicles, it can be a little bit difficult to get those out because they do get rusted into the spindle. It's not anything we can't handle here at 3D Auto Repair, as we have a lot of experience with these types of situations. So if you have a vehicle that's making a lot of noise, or maybe it gets noisier the louder you drive it and you're not quite sure what's going on, we would love to take that for a test drive for you. We have no charge on that. Help you get your vehicle back to the way it should be. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.